In this session, we will discuss numerical problems based on alkalinity of water. In session 2, alkalinity of water, we have discussed interpretation of alkalinity values, ions responsible for alkalinity of water on the basis of P and M values. We have discussed the table, how various values arrive depending upon the value of P and M, where P is phenolphthalein endpoint and M is methyl orange endpoint. Alkalinity is expressed in terms of ppm of calcium carbonate. Problem: a water sample is not alkaline to phenolphthalein. However, 100 ml of water sample reached the end point of titration using methyl orange as indicator with 27.7 ml of 0.02 normal HCl. What is the type and amounts of alkalinity present in water? Sample is titrated against HCl and phenolphthalein endpoint is P is equal to 0 and M is equal to 27.7 ml. Water is not alkaline to phenolphthalein. Hydroxyl ions react with acid to give water. Carbonate ions react stepwise with acid to give bicarbonate. These two reactions are indicated by phenolphthalein indicator. Bicarbonate ions react further with acid to give carbonic acid. These three reactions are indicated by methyl orange. Since P is equal to 0, therefore hydroxyl and carbonate ions both are absent. So alkalinity of water is due to the presence of bicarbonate ions, which we can measure with the help of methyl orange indicator. When P is equal to 0, then we have bicarbonate ions. For bicarbonate alkalinity, volume of the water sample given is 100 ml. Volume of HCl for methyl orange endpoint is 27.7 ml and normality of HCl is 0.02 normal. We can apply normality equation. N1V1 is equal to N2V2. For water N1, we can find M alkalinity is equal to 0.02 into 27.7 divided by 100. Calcium carbonate equivalent, we will multiply with 50 equivalent weight of calcium carbonate. It is equal to 0.277 gram per liter, or it is 277 milligram per liter, that is 277 ppm. Another problem: a 100 ml water sample required 22 ml of 0.05 normal sulfuric acid for phenolphthalein endpoint and another 8 ml for methyl orange endpoint. Determine the nature and the amount of alkalinity. Water sample taken is 100 ml, phenolphthalein endpoint is 22 ml and methyl orange is 30 ml. This is 8 ml is in excess than 22 ml. With phenolphthalein, we can apply normality equation, normality of water. We can find P alkalinity by multiplying N1 with 50 equivalent weight of calcium carbonate. It comes out to be 0.55 gram per liter. That is, it is 550 ppm. Volume of sulfuric acid consumed for methyl orange endpoint is 22 plus 8 ml is equal to 30 ml. We see that P is 22 and M is equal to 30. Therefore, P is greater than half M. We have to see that For P is equal to greater than half M, we have hydroxyl ions and carbonate ions in the solution. So alkalinity is due to both hydroxyl and carbonate ions. With methyl orange indicator, we can apply normality equation and find out N1. M alkalinity in terms of calcium carbonate equivalent, we have to multiply N1 with 50 equivalent weight of calcium carbonate. It comes out to be 0.75 gram per liter, which is equal to 750 ppm. Since P alkalinity is greater than half M alkalinity is due to both hydroxyl and carbonate ions. Alkalinity due to hydroxyl ion is 2P minus M. It comes out to be 350 ppm. Alkalinity due to carbonate is given by 2M minus P. It comes out to be 400 ppm. Thanks for watching this video.